Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I do get a lot of comments with people saying I have saved them a lot of money, and I do get questions, hey, can I send you some money somehow? And now there is a way, if you so choose, called fan funding. You'll find it on the channel page right there. Good day to you. We have a 2008 Dodge Caliber 2.4 liter engine right down there. Got this cover. Has these little nubbies, I call them, for a friction fit. Fit on these knobs here. Just got to pull this cover off. Get to the coils here. Just have to push here to release it. Little tab. Using a T27 Torx bit. Could be a T30, but I'm using a 27. Fits pretty good.
Never, story like VeggieTales.
Never, ever, ever.
Never, ever, story like VeggieTales. It's time for VeggieTales.
Twist and pull them out, easy.
Says Larry the Cucumber.
5/8 spark plug socket. Has a little rubber in here to hold the spark plug in place. Everything's left to loosen, right to tighten. And for battery saving purposes, that display goes out after like 30 seconds. I think you can change it actually too. Boom. But I saw it for the first minute. It's a nice wide shot. Yep. Pretty worn out. I don't like those. That doesn't really do a good job of auto focusing, I don't think. So. Boom. And that is removing your spark plugs. We have a new spark plug. You do want to try and gap it or check the gap. This is one kind of spark plug gapper. 0.043 I believe is what it was, so just check it. And this is a platinum plug. We want to be kind of careful to not scratch the platinum surface too much. So, and if you want to gap it for this one, you can just take this like this and pull up a little bit and change the gap. So we're good. So we'll just check the rest of them and make an adjustment as necessary. If the gap is too wide for some reason, you can maybe tap it on a hard surface or metal gently and bring the gap down a little bit. And did I say already, start everything by hand and left to loosen, right to tighten. So here we're going righty-tighty. Starting by hand. Many boxes of spark plugs do have a general tightening procedure. We have on the bottom a tapered seat is a turn of a 1/16. Basically when it hits bottom, and a gasket seat, which is what we have, is a quarter to a half turn to tighten. That would put us at a half a turn, so that's tight. That's really it. Very easy to replace your spark plugs, and you can just drop this back in the hole. You can pick something up called dielectric grease, maybe put a little bit in here, not too much, the size of a small pea. Just mash it in there a little bit and drop this down in the hole and tighten everything back up. That is really it, and you will have completed replacing your spark plugs, doing a tune-up on your 2008 and other model years Dodge Chrysler vehicle. This is a Dodge Caliber, but if you look at this engine here, and it looks like what you've got under the hood with this cover, I'm confident that this video will give you the skills to replace your spark plugs on your own. Good luck to you.